Yeah, my name is Lijoy. I am from Advanex. The company is a Japanese company. So we have operations across the globe, in Europe, in US, Southeast Asia, China, Japan, and India. India also we have a manufacturing in Chennai. To talk about this event, at the beginning we thought maybe just an exhibition kind of participation, but really impressed because it was a B2B sessions, and we could see that a lot of our potential clients are here in this exhibition. We are able to make good use of this exhibition. So we will be promoting our main product, that is a coil thread, helicoil insert. That is the reason why we are here, and we have certification from various OEMs, and we are expanding this product portfolio in the aerospace segment. Yeah, that's what we are here to do.
I'm the founder of Neda Aero. So we are developing a highly unique UAV. It's a drone. As you can see here, it's completely different from all other drones and aircrafts. This is one unique aircraft that's different from all the aircrafts that's flying right now. So it has a lot of advantages over all the existing drones and aircraft. As you can see here, we have designed this one to handle bad weather conditions. I mean, it can handle more rigorous environment. There are a lot of global companies here, mainly from Italy and other things. So I just connected with a lot of people here. Even the Aerospace Valley, some French representatives were there, and the people shows interest in this. And one way, it helps us to grow our business. Along with that, we get connected with the different suppliers.
I work for the Welsh government. Wales is part of the United Kingdom. It's a country, and I represent the South India market activities for the Welsh government. I'm based out of Bangalore, and this is my first time at this show. I think this is a really great opportunity that the organizers have put together for companies to meet each other and unearth opportunities. In terms of my role and what we do, we support Indian companies who are looking to expand their operations into the UK market. We try and see how Wales could be the right destination for them.
So myself Tabish Salim Peshimam. I am here on behalf of Nexa Defence Limited. We are manufacturers of GAC and GHE, ground supporting and ground handling equipments. For example, hydraulic, pneumatic, electricals. For maintenance purpose of the aircraft, we make hydraulic jacks. Apart from that, our key product is ground power unit. We make ground power unit. We are in this industry from in defense in particularly for Air Force, HL, DRDOs, Pan India, other aviation defense. We are there for from 2014. Now we are in enterprises, then we shifted to private limited, and now we are limited. From last 3 days, we are getting exposure to many companies that we didn't knew that are part of this. This is a very good platform where you can find new people, new companies, new joint ventures that we can partner with, and customers or the to-be customers that we can make our business with. So yeah, this expo is a very good one. We had a good time here, to be honest.
My name is Nitikesh Maladkar, and our company name is Afeco Heating Systems. We are based out of Kolhapur, Maharashtra, and we are essentially a manufacturer of heating systems for ferrous and non-ferrous industries. We have two verticals in our business. One is the capital equipment manufacturing business, and the other one is aluminium alloys manufacturing. So we are currently manufacturing alloys for automotive industries. Now with this expo, we tend to explore the opportunities in aerospace industry as well for alloy manufacturing in aluminium industry. So being the last day, it seems like we had a good response and a good number of companies interested in our products, both aluminium as well as the capital equipment.
I am Pankaj Akula. I am the Managing Director of Aerospace Aerospace Group. So Akshay Aerospace Group is a group of 11 companies into the design, development, manufacturing of drone parts, sub-assembly systems, including autopilots, batteries, aerostructure composites, cameras, and we manufacture drones in three major sectors: agri, industrial, cargo, and we have started also doing into the defense drones for the military application. Expo has given quite a bit of interactions, and yes, we feel that it can. The 3 days experience has been good. We could meet with the stakeholders from across the government, industry, and media across the various verticals.
My name is Amal. So my company is Masters Preci Tools. So we are a specialized jigs and fixtures manufacturer. So we work with engine as well as the fuselages also. For us, it's the first time that we are hosting an event in Hyderabad. We are technically based in Hyderabad though. So we've been in the industry for the last 27 years, supplying SPMs and special kind of jigs and fixtures for the aerospace industry. This has been a great platform. We had quality conversations, considering it was too niche. So it was so easy for us to have a lot of technical conversation with the right people, a lot of supply chain persons across the different larger OEMs which will be present at the show. So it was really a good exposure for us.
I'm a managing director for 3D Mac Infotech Private Limited. So we are actually exploring first time this exhibition actually. So we came first time. The response is good. We have met a few companies who are interested in us. We are specialized in making tools for composites. Nowadays composites are very popularly used in aerospace, automotive and defense. So we are specialized in making a large format molds, which we have already done for AMCA for the first prototype, and we also worked with Tejas Mark II.
I'm the director of this company, Azitech. Azitech is a digital-based R&D research development company. We do design a lot of digital electronics. We do rugged systems like rugged Ethernet switches, rugged. So all the digital electronic which is required for the DRDOs, we manufacture. We do design, develop, and manufacture. This Expo looking was good, and mostly it's our B2B. We'll get a lot of business customers and all. We have how we can accommodate with them and all, how it will be helpful for us. So it is mostly for the B2B.
My name is Jay Kumar. So I am representing Tubes and Pipes Private Limited, and we are manufacturing tubes, which basically goes into the aerospace, deep space, and also the defense. And this tubes which we are manufacturing is based out of India. Okay. So at Umargaon in the Vapi district, and we are coming up with a new facility at Pune. So that's a state-of-the-art facility which is specifically for aerospace, defense, and deep space application. This is actually fantastic. So I actually can collaborate a lot with a lot of people. So with the key decision makers, and I think so you should do it regularly. So because I think so there was a break last year. So but the things are like I could see a lot of people who wanted to set up a facility in India.
I am from MKS Technologies Private Limited, Hyderabad. So basically we are into industrial X-ray equipment manufacturers. So basically in NDT we have a X-ray part where we give solutions to aerospace, defense, automotive, pipe industry, EV, electronic. Because we are Make in India, first of all we are Make in Indian organization, and for past 3 days we had a very good experience here, because yesterday also we had a very good footfall, and we thought that outside the people also they have came in, and in-house B2B meetings we had a very good B2B meetings. So overall 3 days was very good experience.
Is Bhavin Shah from Fit Story Media, and we are publishing 2 types of magazines, Engineering Core Newswire and Spinex Core Story Media. The Engineering Core Newswire magazines covers power, machine tools, automation, gas and motors, all engineering industry, aerospace, defense, and the Spinex Core Story Media covers the bearing industry especially. And this is our bi-monthly magazine. So what we publish on this magazine, like upcoming new product informations is there, technical articles, exhibitions, upcoming exhibitions detail, interviews, cover stories. This is all information you will get on our magazine and our online portal. In this expo is good. Earlier we have participated Chennai exhibitions of the Aeromart, and that was great. The government also participation over there, and worldwide around all countries had pavilion over there. So it's good, right?